Picture yourself walking down a suburban street, passing unassuming houses one after another. But what if I told you that behind one of those doors resides a millionaire? Welcome to the captivating world of The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, where true wealth often hides in plain sight. Chapter 1. The Millionaire Next Door. Our journey begins with a revelation. The image we have of millionaires is often a facade. Contrary to popular belief, they aren't always driving luxury cars or living in mansions. In fact, many of them lead surprisingly modest lives, prioritizing saving and investing over conspicuous consumption. Through meticulous research and compelling anecdotes, Stanley dismantles the myth of wealth and introduces us to the real millionaires living among us. Stanley introduces us to characters like Drive South and Jim, who live in modest homes, drive used cars, and wear inexpensive suits. They've accumulated significant wealth through disciplined saving and smart investing, proving that true wealth isn't about flaunting your possessions, but rather about financial independence and security. Chapter 2. Frugal, Frugal, Frugal. Frugality isn't just a habit for millionaires. It's a way of life. In this chapter, Stanley delves into the importance of living below your means and saving diligently. He illustrates how millionaires are masters of budgeting and restraint, opting for practicality over extravagance. Through captivating stories of thrift and resourcefulness, Stanley demonstrates how embracing frugality can pave the way to financial independence and long-term prosperity. Stanley shares anecdotes of millionaires who eschew the trappings of wealth in favor of thriftiness. They clip coupons, shop at discount stores, and drive older model cars long after they can afford to upgrade. While their peers may scoff at their frugality, these millionaires understand that wealth isn't about what you spend but what you save. Chapter 3. Time, Energy, and Money. They say that time is money, and for millionaires, every moment counts. In this chapter, Stanley explores the concept of resource allocation and the vital role it plays in wealth accumulation. He reveals how millionaires invest their time and energy strategically, focusing on activities that yield the highest returns. Through insightful anecdotes and practical tips, Stanley empowers readers to make the most of their resources and chart a course towards financial success. Stanley introduces us to individuals like Sarah, who works tirelessly to build her business while her friends spend their weekends partying. Despite facing criticism and skepticism from others, Sarah knows that every hour she invests in her business brings her closer to financial independence. Her story serves as a reminder that success requires sacrifice and discipline, but the rewards are worth it in the end. Chapter 4. You aren't what you drive. Contrary to popular belief, the car you drive doesn't define your wealth. In this eye-opening chapter, Stanley challenges the notion that millionaires flaunt their success through flashy automobiles. Instead, he introduces us to individuals who prioritize reliability and value when it comes to vehicle ownership. Through captivating stories of modest rides and wise financial decisions, Stanley reshapes our understanding of wealth and material possessions. Stanley shares anecdotes of millionaires who drive older model cars and maintain them meticulously to extend their lifespan. These individuals understand that a car is simply a means of transportation, not a status symbol. By prioritizing value over vanity, they're able to accumulate wealth more quickly and sustainably. Chapter 5. Economic Outpatient Care. While it's natural to want to support loved ones financially, excessive assistance can hinder their path to financial independence. In this insightful chapter, Stanley explores the concept of economic outpatient care and its implications for wealth building. He shares poignant stories of individuals who grapple with the consequences of perpetual financial assistance, highlighting the importance of fostering independence and self-reliance. Stanley introduces us to characters like David, whose parents funded his lavish lifestyle well into adulthood. Despite inheriting a substantial trust fund, David struggled to find purpose and direction in life. It wasn't until he cut ties with his parents' financial support and struck out on his own that he found fulfillment and success. His story serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of excessive parental assistance and the importance of financial independence. Chapter 6. Affirmative Action, Family Style. Inheritance can be a blessing or a burden, depending on how it's managed. In this chapter, Stanley delves into the complexities of intergenerational wealth transfer and its impact on family dynamics. He shares compelling narratives of heirs who navigate the challenges of inherited wealth, grappling with issues of entitlement and responsibility. Through thought-provoking insights, Stanley prompts readers to consider the role of inheritance in shaping their financial futures. Stanley shares stories of heirs who squandered their fortunes through reckless spending and mismanagement. These individuals grew up in wealthy families and never learned the value of hard work or financial responsibility. As a result, they found themselves broke and directionless when their inheritance ran out. Their stories serve as a reminder that wealth isn't just about what you inherit, but what you do with it. Chapter 7. Find your niche. Success often hinges on finding your passion and pursuing it relentlessly. In this chapter, Stanley explores the power of specialization and expertise in wealth creation. He introduces us to individuals who leverage their unique talents and interests to carve out lucrative niches in various industries. Through inspiring stories of entrepreneurial ingenuity, Stanley encourages readers to identify their strengths and capitalize on opportunities for financial growth. Stanley introduces us to entrepreneurs like Lisa, who turned her passion for baking into a successful business. Despite facing skepticism and doubt from others, Lisa persevered and built a loyal customer base through hard work and determination. Her story serves as a reminder that success isn't always about chasing the latest trends, but about leveraging your unique talents and interests to create value. Chapter 8. Jobs. Millionaire versus heir. Contrary to popular belief, the majority of millionaires are self-made individuals who have earned their wealth through hard work and perseverance. In this illuminating chapter, Stanley compares the paths of self-made millionaires and heirs, shedding light on the distinct challenges and opportunities each group faces. He shares compelling anecdotes of individuals who defy expectations and chart their own course to financial success, inspiring readers to pursue their aspirations with tenacity and determination. Stanley shares anecdotes of individuals who started with nothing and built their fortunes from the ground up through hard work and perseverance. These self-made millionaires faced numerous obstacles along the way but never lost sight of their goals. Their stories serve as inspiration for anyone who dreams of achieving financial independence through their own efforts. Chapter 9. The Courage to be Wealthy. Achieving financial independence requires courage and conviction. In this final chapter, Stanley explores the mindset and behaviors that empower individuals to overcome obstacles and realize their dreams. He shares captivating stories of resilience and determination, highlighting the transformative power of perseverance in the face of adversity. Through insightful reflections and practical advice, Stanley empowers readers to embrace the journey toward wealth with confidence and resilience. Stanley introduces us to individuals like Mike, who took a leap of faith and started his own business despite facing uncertainty and doubt. While others played it safe, Mike embraced risk and seized opportunities others overlooked. His story serves as a reminder that true wealth often requires stepping outside your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. In conclusion, The Millionaire Next Door is a captivating exploration of wealth, wisdom, and the pursuit of financial independence. Through poignant narratives and profound insights, Stanley challenges readers to rethink their notions of success and embrace the principles of frugality, diligence, and self-reliance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, this timeless classic offers invaluable guidance for building wealth and living a life of purpose and abundance. With that said, thanks for joining me on this journey through The Millionaire Next Door. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and until next time, may your path to prosperity be paved with wisdom and wealth.